This one is Cocomelon, which is a very popular very young children's program, I believe. I believe this one's more for, you know, the littlies, the teenies. So, you know, the name Cocomelon kind of ties in with the watermelon stripes that I've decorated this cake with. So I've got a light green base fondant, and then I've gone round with a darker green fondant in these stripes to sort of give it the stripy watermelon look. Very colourful one again. Usually children's cakes usually are quite colourful. And then this little guy on top, I believe, is the main character. He's called JJ, and I've made this out of modelling paste. It took me some hours to do to try and get all the features right, even though it looks like a fairly simple character to make. It wasn't. To get these hands sort of stuck up in the air and to get him standing on the cake. He's got a wooden skewer through his body, and then the head on this one, it looks like a baby, doesn't it? And I think the big head and the little body gives it that type of characteristic. So the head, I had to do the body in advance so that it was set enough to hold the weight of his big head. His cute little two front teeth there, and his little cute smile, and the one little blonde curl that he has on top of his head. So he's in this baby grow that's decorated in what looks like little whales. So I've just hand painted those on with some food colouring. We've got some little balloons there as well. Some clouds for decoration, some little stars, and then this big face that's on the melon, I believe, in the programme. So that's all done out of fondant. Quite simple to do the face, just getting the proportions right. And then on the board I've gone for a multicoloured happy birthday. I've used Clickits, they're called. I can't remember who they're by. I'll try and remember. But they're sort of like, they punch the font out, so I was able to do them all in different colours and then stick them on the board. And then I've trimmed the board with this colourful ribbon that I had in. It just brings it all together nicely. So yeah, little JJ on the top of this watermelon, Cocomelon design cake. So this is a 6-inch tall, 6-inch round, sorry, and they stand about just over 7 inches tall, my 6 inches. I've said it in previous videos that I prefer the look of a taller cake. You're able to sort of get a lot more detail on it without it looking squashed. And I just think that's the way the trend is going for cakes these days. It's the taller look. So yeah, pleased with that one. A lot of fondant work on this one again, but fondant is my favourite to work with because you can just achieve so many different smooth looks. So yeah, there we are. Cocomelon and JJ for Huey on his first birthday.